You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce the name of this rugby club that is based in Bordeaux or around Bordeaux. Bègles is just a little kind of a town that is stuck next to Bordeaux within the broader Bordeaux city. The club is pronounced as UBB, which stands for Union Bègles Bordeaux. So that's your French pronunciation, Union Bègles Bordeaux, Union Bègles Bordeaux, or UBB. You could call it UBB. If you cannot pronounce French perfectly, you can say Union Bègles Bordeaux. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.